The darkest folk tale of Jharkhand. Why the seven sisters vanished. A forgotten folk tale of Ranchi. The hook. Deep within the Chota Nagpur plateau, near the modern-day city of Ranchi, lies a forest that remembers everything. Long before the concrete roads, these hills belonged to spirits, shapeshifters, and the ancient tribes. But there is one story that grandmothers still whisper to children to keep them from wandering too far into the woods at night. It's the story of seven sisters, a hungry ironsmith, and a betrayal that stained the earth. Today on Life Atlas, we journey into the heart of Jharkhand to uncover the chilling legend of the Seven Sisters. The Seven Sisters. Once, in a small village on the outskirts of Ranchi, lived seven sisters. They were famous across the plateau for their beauty and their bond. They did everything together, fetching water from the Suvarnarekha river, gathering forest fruits, and dancing during the Sarhul festival. But their lives took a turn when they encountered a wandering lohar or ironsmith. In these folk tales, blacksmiths are often seen as powerful figures because they work with fire and metal, elements of the underworld. The smith wasn't interested in their beauty. He was driven by a dark greed. He believed that to forge the ultimate blade, one that could cut through souls, he needed a sacrifice that was pure and untouched. The deception. The smith began to groom the sisters, gaining their trust by making them beautiful iron ornaments that never rusted. One evening, he told them of a hidden garden, deep in the valley where the flowers were made of gold and the water tasted like honey. The youngest sister felt a chill in her spine, a warning from the forest. But the elder sisters, enchanted by the smith's words, followed him into the densest part of the Ranchi jungles. As they reached a clearing with a massive, ancient furnace, the smith's face changed. The garden was a trap. He didn't want their company. He wanted their essence for his forge. The transformation. Narrator. According to the legend, as the smith prepared his ritual, the sisters realized their fate. They didn't cry for mercy. They cried out to the Banga, the spirits of the land. Just as the smith reached for them, the ground shook. The sisters didn't die, they transformed. Some versions say they turned into seven identical rocks that still stand in a hidden valley today. Others say they turned into the seven sisters, birds, babblers, forever chattering to warn others of the smith's presence. But the most haunting version? They became the mist that rises from the waterfalls of Ranchi, like Hundru or Jonha Falls, luring the greedy into the deep waters. The lesson and conclusion. In Jharkhand's folklore, the forest is a character itself. It protects the innocent but punishes the greedy. The smith? Legend says he was consumed by his own furnace, becoming a pret, ghost, that still wanders the Chota Nagpur hills, looking for the iron he lost. This story serves as a map, a life atlas, of tribal values, respect for the forest, the danger of greed, and the power of sibling bonds. Next time you find yourself near the waterfalls of Ranchi and hear a group of birds chirping in unison, look closely. You might just be in the presence of the seven sisters. Which part of India should we map next? Let me know in the comments below. Stay curious. Do you have a similar seven sisters story in your culture?